What is quantum jumping? And how do we use quantum jumping to better our lives here on Earth? I just realized that we humans are vibrating beings. And with the right frequency and right state of mind, we can catapult ourselves into what we love or desire most. Do not forget that there are different types of frequencies. We have the alpha frequencies, the beta frequency, and the theta frequencies, which of course I would love to explain subsequently. Now, to understand the concept of quantum jumping, let me take you through the aspect of Heisenberg uncertainty principle so that you understand the class more better. You see, Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that it is impossible to determine the position and momentum of an electron with certainty. That is by guessing. The simple reason is because electron can either move towards the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Now, if you use the Hund's rule principle to determine where an electron will spin to, you discover that electron can either spin towards the positive direction or the negative direction. Now, the truth is there are so many factors responsible for an electron to spin or spinning towards the negative direction. Such factors include what we call the damping force. Now, the damping force is that force that reduces the vibration of an object or a material. In terms of human, this damping force can be from our family, can be from our friends, that's peer pressure, or society, as the case may be. The truth is, the family we are born into, the friends we keep, or the society also determines what will become of us in the long run. Other factors responsible for this negative spinning include past life karma. There are some persons all over the world that almost sometimes after exploring or performing an Herculean task, doing something strenuous, at the end of the day, there is nothing to write home about or there is no achievement. The simple reason is because of the past life karma, what the person did in the past life, which of course I would not love to explain because very many persons will not want to believe that aspect, especially in terms of reincarnation. But the truth is, what I'm trying to say now is all true and what's correct. You understand? So the truth is, what is this quantum jumping and how do we use quantum jumping to better our lives? The truth is, I'm still in the process of research. I just realized it, so I just felt like let me share this concept so that we can all learn, because we are still in the process of learning. Life is all about learn. You understand? So I feel like I want to better my life, so that's why I did some more deeper studies. So I just realized the concept of quantum jumping, so I feel like let me share. Now, the truth is, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Of course, we know there are three major states of matter. We have the solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Now, if you or bombard an atom, a solid stuff into bombardment, you understand, you get some subatomic particles, which include the proton, neutron, electron. Now, if you should take the orbital diagram of an atom, you discover that the center part of an atom is made up of the nucleus, where almost the entire mass of the electron, of almost the entire mass of the atom is. Now, inside the atom, you get the proton and the neutron. Now, revolving around this atom is what we call the electron. Now, take note. This electron can hardly move from this atom because it is being held by strong force. And in order for this electron to jump out from that place, it needs to absorb energy. Likewise, in reality, we humans can transform ourselves into more positive or something more productive or what's more lucrative by absorbing some positive energy. And the energy needed for you to move that stuff is very, very high. So the truth is, with the right state of mind and the right frequency, you can teleport yourself into the realms of the multiverse to gain some knowledge which of course will be what productive here on earth you can use to transform yourself. The truth is, like I said, I'm seeing the process of what learning. So I just feel like let me what share this what art to the general public, so that they understand the aspects of this quantum jump. And the truth is, in order for you to understand this quantum jump fully, there are two factors that determine how successful or how productive one will become. The first one includes what? The basic knowledge of what quantum number, and under basic knowledge on magic number, because the truth is, we humans are all assigned differently to what specific numbers, and these numbers can be known or what's calculated using the magic number, which, if time permits, I would like to explain. And do not also forget that there are 4 major types of what quantum number, which include the principal quantum number, which talks about the main share, how close the electron or the stuff is to the nucleus. You understand? So represented by what? KLMNOP. You understand? The closer the atom or the electron is to the nucleus, the more difficult it is for the electron to jump out. So you need more energy for you to bombard or remove the electron closer to the K share, because the K share is always closer to the nucleus. Understand? That's for principal quantum number. We have the azimuthal quantum number, also called the subsidiary quantum number, or the angular momentum quantum number, the spin quantum number, the magnetic quantum number. Now listen, all this stuff that I've made mention are of little importance if you really understand the concept of magic number, because where the major problem lies is what? The magic number. Because like all compounds have their own magic number, just like carbon 4 have a magic number of 16. Understand? How do you get the 16? You get 16 by the valence electron. Just like, for example, carbon has a valency of 4. Oxygen has a valency of 6. 4 plus 6 times 2, which is CO2. That will give us 16 if you do your calculation well. Just like NH4, ammonium ion, NH4. Understand? It has its own magic number, which is what? Ammonium is 5, which is the valency of nitrogen. 4 electron, and that plus there, it means what? To remove. I don't know if you understand. So this stuff is, I don't know how to explain this stuff, but I just want to share my experience on quantum jumping, that quantum jumping does exist, and with time, with further research, I will explain more about this quantum jump. So I just feel like with the right state of mind and the right frequency and everything, you can become anything you choose or you love to become here on earth.